Hi, welcome to this tutorial on Amazon KDP book formatting using Kindle Create. I am Paul Nanta. In this tutorial, you will learn how to import a Word document into Kindle Create app, format the document to accepted standard, and properly export the document into various file formats, including EPUB. By the end of this tutorial, you will be confident enough to take on various KDP book formatting projects. Now this training is for beginners, so if you're a pro, you're free to follow along. The project we'll be working on has been made available in an exercise folder, so feel free to download and follow along. Let's get started. Hi, welcome to the first lesson. Here I'll show you how to import the document into Kindle Create application. The document we'll be importing is inside the folder on my desktop named Kindle Create exercise file. It's called manuscripts_book. If you wish to follow along using this file, you can download it using the link in the description. Let's take a closer look inside this Microsoft Word based file. So here you can see the content, normal typesetting, no page number, header or footer, or any sort of special formatting. This is because every sort of formatting can be done within the Kindle Create environment, so it's better to spend the time of formatting in there. Now close the document and open the Kindle Create app. Computer. Here at the bottom right, click on Choose. Again, click on Choose File. Now use this pop-up window to locate the manuscript in the exercise folder. Select the manuscript and click on Open. Kindle Create will now import the file. This will take some time depending on the speed of your computer. The import is successful. Click to continue. Lastly, click on Get Started. Well done, we've successfully imported the document. In the next lesson, we'll cover how to format the document. See you there. Welcome back. So now let's format the document we've imported. See here on the screen is the document we imported from the previous lesson. On the top left corner of the screen, you will see all the suggested chapter Kindle Create application automatically offers us. We'll disregard all the suggestions. I'll show you how you can create yours. So click Reject All. So let's start with the book chapters. Highlight the first chapter. Go over to the text property pane on the right side of the screen. Click the chapter title button to create the first chapter. Next, highlight the subtitle. Then, click on the chapter subtitle button. Highlight the first paragraph. Click on the chapter first paragraph. Now you can edit the subtitle the way you like. I'll make it black. That's okay. I'll do the same for the second chapter. as well as the third chapter. Now, as you can see, to the body tab on the contents pane, we now have chapter 1, 2, and 3. Those are our chapters. Now let's apply some standard elements to the document. Here we have a quoted text. Let's apply a block quote to it. Highlight it and click on block quote button. We also have a separator over here. I'll highlight it and click on separator. I'll do the same for this separator. Now, let's add some front matter. Click the plus sign on the front matter tab and select the title page. Let's go over to the exercise file for the front and back matter. Here we have it. Copy the big title. And let's go over to Kindle Create. I'll paste it here using Ctrl V. I'll enter a name for the book author. And you can skip the rest and click on Create Page. Here you have it. Click on the plus sign again. Select copyright. I'll enter the following. Here on the section for right, this is provided basically for illustrative purposes. So you can go ahead and write your own claims and paste it here. For this exercise, I'm going to take out this ISBN. I don't have an ISBN for this book. I simply rely on Amazon to provide me with an ASIN number. Finally, click on Create Page. So now let's add the introductory page. Click on the plus sign again and select Introduction. I'll go back to the Word document to copy the introduction from the exercise file. Highlight the placeholder text. Go over to the Edit menu and click Paste. Highlight the first paragraph and apply a first paragraph formatting. In this case, there is no drop cap. Let's add some back matter pages. Click on the plus sign and select About Author. I'll type a name into this. For the description, we'll go back to the exercise file. Right click on the field, click paste. Let's make minor adjustments to this. Now click the select image button. There's a picture in the exercise folder, so let's find it. Here it is. I'm fine with this and all the default settings. So click on create page. There you have it. Now it's time to add the table of contents. On the front matters tab, click the plus sign and select table of contents. The Kindle Create application will automatically generate a TOC table of contents based on the list of the front matter, body and back matter pages. Look through, and if you're satisfied with it, click OK. There you have it. Take note, this table of contents is for the ebook version. The paperback version will include page numbers created automatically by the software. Lastly, before we run off and save this document, let's take a look at settings and theme. Click on the print settings at the top right. Normally most books come with the default setting, so I'll click OK. And finally, click on theme. You can choose to go with any of these themes: modern, classic, cosmos, or armor. For the purpose of this lesson, we'll leave it to modern and click select. Well done. In the next lesson, we'll cover how to save and export the documents to various file formats. See you then. Hi, welcome back. Now let's go over the steps required to properly save and export the document into various file formats. So click save on the command bar. I'll choose to save on my desktop for the purpose of this lesson. Now let's go over to the desktop and check for the saved file. So here it is, the new folder containing the saved file. Let's have a look inside. So this is it. Let's go back to Kindle Create. So now that we have a copy saved, we can safely go on to preview and export this file. Let's preview before we export. Click on preview on the button bar. So now that we have a copy saved, we can safely go on to preview this file and export it. So now that we have a copy saved, we can safely go on to preview and export this file. Click on preview. Here's how the preview looks like on tablet. I'll change the device type to Kindle e-reader, and this is how it will look like. Let's close this. Now it's time to export, so click on export. These are the available formats for export: Kindle publishing file, KPF, both the ebook and print version included, and also EPUB. So with all this selected, click Export again. Let's set the destination for this export to the new saved folder created on the desktop. Now let's give the file a name. Finally, click Export. The export is successful. So let's close this. And now we'll go over to the desktop. I'll open the saved folder once more. And there you have it. The EPUB folder and KPF folder, all containing the various formats. EPUB version, KPF, and the Kindle Create file.